Hey everybody, so today we're going to be showing you my two new kids.
Well, one's asleep.
Yeah, so one's asleep. Here's our first one. Oh.
Meowie Povich.
No! This is him.
You can call him
He's really little.
Pervert.
So that's him. He just likes to explore because we just got him a few hours ago.
Skipper.
No, not Skipper. Yeah, look at him.
Heathcliff.
Oh, where's he going? Where's he going?
Yeah, on the cartoon.
Oh, there he is. What you doing? What are you doing? Oh, I can't see you. Where'd you go? Oh, he's just licking himself. Yeah, the other one's asleep. That's a Spider-Man phone. And yeah, and that's an arm.
Here.
Oh, he escaped. There he is.
You call him Santa Claus.
No. He's too fluffy to be called. Pissy.
Oh yeah. Yoda? Call him Yoda? Child. His name is Grogu, for the record.
He's attacking my sock.
I call him Grogu. Groggy.
What the heck? He's okay. Watch this. Get over here. Get over here.
Yeah.
Dash from Incredibles.
Yeah, it's like cute.
It's alright.
Delilah. Okay, gentle with him.
Yeah, the other, wait, is the other one a boy or a girl?
I think it's.
So this one's a boy. The other one is Delilah. It's a girl, and it's sleeping right now. I'm gonna go show you Delilah. Shh, we gotta be very quiet.
There's a lot of room right now. Miss Rom asks. Miss Rom says it's okay.
Go check on him.
I just did. She's not awake.
Just go show.
No, she's sleeping. Just wait.
Yeah, so my friends are gonna be here in a little bit. So yeah, he has dirt on his face because they were rescued, and we're trying to get it off.
Make a try.
Guys, let's go get some toys for him.
We got all these toys out.
He needs more. Okay. So which toys should I get? We have a lot. I got all these. So I'm gonna. Mom, should we groom him? Yeah, let's groom him. Let's groom him. Oh yeah, we have 3 cats now. Look at. This is our other cat, Frankie. Where is it? Where's his face? Where's that big fish? He's a boy. What are you doing? No, where is? What are we gonna name this one?
I don't know yet.
Yeah, we don't know. I'm trying to bite you. Okay, let me flip.
I'm Smith.
Bean.
Get over here.
Because they're jelly bean toasts.
I think Birdie is really cute.
Ooh, Mom, I think he likes it.
Butch.
Mama.
Okay, Jen. Look at Jen.
Yeah. Wow. Ah, he's running. Say hi.
Cooper's cute.
Cooper.
Yep.
He's right there. Little fish. Little fish.
Bye.
Wow. Nya, nya, nya.